Welcome to Mbnavii updates, your one-step stop shop for all your Mercedes-Benz navigation update. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at our website and how to navigate through it. So let's get started. This is our homepage. Just by clicking at homepage here, you will find all the information you need to update your Mercedes-Benz navigation system. You can see our main menu at the top of the page, which includes link in the different section of our website. Let's start with the home section. Here you will find a brief introduction to Mbnavii update as well as some of the latest news and updates regarding our product and service. You can also subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date with the latest information. Now moving forward to the select model option. When you click on the select model option, you will come to the next page. This is where you select your Mercedes-Benz model, and here once you select your model, just by clicking on select model, you will be directed to the relevant map coverage page. Let's take a look. Here you can see the different map coverage options for the C-Class. You can choose between North America, Europe and other region. Here is the delivery method and region section as well as select model section. Just by clicking on those sections, you can proceed to the checkout page to complete your purchase. It's that simple. Now by clicking the map coverage option, just by click a map coverage option, you will come to the next page. Here you can see all the different map coverage options for each Mercedes-Benz model. We offer map to America, Europe, Asia, Australia and other regions. We also provide detailed information about the coverage area and the latest version of the maps. This ensures that you always have the most up-to-date navigation system in your Mercedes-Benz. Now by clicking the F&Q answers, this is the question and answer section. This is our frequently asked questions section. Here you can find answer to some of the most commonly asked questions about our product and services. If you can't find the answer you are looking for, you can always contact us using the detail on our contact page just by clicking on the contact us. Now you will come to the next page, contact us page. This is our contact page. Here you can find our phone number and email address as well as contact form you can fill out to send us a message. Our friendly and knowledgeable customer support team is always ready to assist you with any question or concerns you may have. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to navigate our website. If you have any further question or would like to purchase one of our navigation updates, please visit us at mbnaviiupdates.com. Thank you.